We always see people fighting the shoes, so we found your fix for it. Busy day. This isn't how you want your shoes. You want your shoes in the shoe rack. A lot of people comment on where we get this shoe rack. They see it from the door, and yeah, sometimes we have the door open so you're able to see it. We got this baby off of Amazon. It just hangs over the door, hooks on there.
With 2 hooks, yeah.
So then it holds 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Comes in a 2-pack.
It comes in a 2-pack, so we have 2 of these. Also, we did this to mark all of our things and show you what lights it controls.
So we run the Starlink through our dining room slide, and so it just made it easier to label all of them, especially when we're trying to pack up and leave. It's just a lot easier to have them labeled. But yeah, so this is the 2 hooks, and our son's shoes are bigger, but the little kids, we can fit a lot more shoes in it. We put just the shoes we wear every day down here. These are me and Houston's. We put our kids' shoes and then our son's, and it just makes it a lot easier. It makes it a lot easier, you know, just to be able to throw some shoes in. We have another one in our room that holds like our nicer shoes that we don't always wear every day.
Then we got these hooks off of Amazon. They're waterproof. They're on there pretty good.
Yep.
And they're just sticked. Like, you just stick them on there.
So the one thing I did notice, before you guys stick them on, you want to wipe it with a Clorox wipe, then you want to stick it, and then it sticks a lot better. Honestly, these 2 are, these are good hooks.
Sturdy.
These are good hooks, sturdy. Yeah. So this is our little entryway area. Sometimes we have shoes right here, and it makes it harder to walk through, so that's why we ended up getting this. We like it a lot. We've had it for 4 months. We love it. It works really good for us. This is just a little label printer. You can print labels for anything. So it's really cool.
Where can you find this?
Amazon.
In our description?
In the description below. Description below, you can find this. Description below, you can find the little mini printer. I'll show you guys it in the next clip. It's awesome.
Voila, we got the printer.
That's the label maker?
This is the label maker that we use for this, and we've used this for quite a few things, though, I think. And it's, yeah, you hook it up. It's Bluetooth. It goes to your phone.
This is, we're going to attach the Amazon link, and you guys just add it to your cart. Any of these items, you just add them to your cart, and you'll be able to buy them.
Yeah. And
click the link, add it to your cart, and buy it.
Oh, man.
It opened a little bit.
It opened.
But you just, and so it Bluetooths to your phone. So when you turn this on, it Bluetooths to your phone, and you just have to download the app. And when you download the app, you can put all these little designs. Emojis. They have tons of designs. It's actually, this thing is kind of handy, honestly. It was not super expensive. I like it.
And it's super cute.
Yeah, it's called Makeid. So we'll have this in the link below. Add it to your Amazon cart. And just from the link, add it to your Amazon cart and purchase it. Same thing with the shoe rack. Same thing with the hooks.
So we found the box for the hooks. They're adhesive hook, black, new.
They're waterproof.
And they're waterproof. So guys, this is the one that's in our bedroom, and it just sits like on the door.
It's 2 hooks.
2 hooks, and it holds all these shoes. And this is quite a bit of shoes. I mean,
so we didn't buy 2 of these. They come in a 2-pack, which at first we were like, dang, there's 2-pack, and we can't. There's not really another place to put it. And then we're like, we could put it on our bathroom.
We were gonna take out this because of easier access to the washer and dryer.
And this is where our TV mounts too.
This is where our TV mounts, which that is coming eventually. So come along with us and watch.
But yeah, these are honestly, it's like a cool little hack to put your shoes.
And we have big feet. I wear sizes like 10.5, 11. Olivia wears like 11s and men's too.
Whatever.
And compare it to women's, you'll see the difference.
It's just a lot easier. That's the biggest thing in an RV is space. Good space management. You know, like little hacks to be able to put stuff in.
And we always see people fighting the shoes, so we found your fix for it. So Get that in the description below.
Add
Click
it to your Amazon.
Add it to your Amazon cart, and it will be your best friend. Until then, keep on watching. Like, subscribe, show all your friends. Share, share, share. Until then, see you next time.